Hello everyone. Um, I thought that it would be cool if I did a no repair shop run of Grand Tour in Need for Speed Rivals because I'm kind of good at the game, I think. So this would be like a challenge. I think it would be pretty cool. So I went ahead and did that, and this is the recording of my attempt that I actually completed it. Um, it took me like a long time. So I was pretty happy about doing this, and hopefully you enjoy my commentary. It's the first time I made a video like this, so hopefully the commentary is good. So yeah, here's the video. Oh, and I also did record the getting to heat level 10, so that will be at the start of the video. You should be able to skip a bit in to get to the actual race when it starts. I did. Could you please let me, there we go. Let's go back into here, because I don't want to have another cop. What are you doing? Get, get back in here. Dude, stop running away. You are not him. Wait, could I get away with like, let's finish it now.
All units, suspect has escaped. Return mobile. NDC's available.
Hey buddy, what's up? Ooh, I love this song. I love this song. Oh yeah, so the song that I really like, they keep referring to, I think it's like multiple times. I don't know. It's Ruins. It's the one from the NCS Geometry Dash levels. I just really like it. Like the full version. The version in the level is like okay, but like the full version you really get to experience it. Wait, am I still in a pursuit? Who Oh, that was just me and that one guy. What the heck? Nope, it resumed. Oh, come on, dude. Why did the light pole have to go my way? Or electricity pole? I don't know, it's a pole of some kind. Oh my god. So good. Peak racing music. I would say if I described like the vibe that Runes gives while like doing this, it's like the same thing if you listen to what was that? I think it was like Destroyed 6 Put It Down? The song that's in this game. Like the really heavy EDM one. It got a good part for you to just hit the turbo on and you just go flying down the red, dude. So good. Alright. It is time for you to die, so that way I can get to heat level 10 and start the thing. Hopefully with no cops, because I would prefer no cops. That would be the optimal situation. Alright, heat level 10. Let's go and go to the gas station. Hopefully no cops. Because if there is no cops, and I get back at full health, I think that I could do it then. I think the trick is just stay at full health. But I also need to get a good run. Good RNG. But that should be the strat that I am hoping for. Nope, not a cop. These cars always look like cops. That's one right there, though. Yeah, I'm not gonna complete the forest exits. Dang, they really just said, like, get out of the way to that guy. Also, I find it interesting that cops only spawn going the same direction you are and not opposite. Not that he's saying I want them to spawn oppositely, I just found it interesting. I really hope they don't spawn a cop behind me like they did that one time. That'd be very annoying. I do not want to deal with that. Okay, going too fast. Yeah, go to that guy. You don't want me. I'm only like double the wanted level he is. 88 miles per hour. 0.3. How do they measure like to the 100th of a mile per hour? That just doesn't seem reasonable. Like I get the distance in jumps, but that's like those are really precise speed cameras. It's almost like they want you to speed past them. Okay. Okay, I think I can do it. I think I can do it. Okay, so get in thing. Alright, I can probably jumpstart this. Yep, there we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, guys. Okay. First for... Actually, I'm first. Are they not? Nope, they're coming. Get pushed back. Oh. I don't think I can get first. Oh. Okay, well that was my bad. I thought I didn't get the checkpoint. Ah. That's fine. I just needed to focus. Why am I catching up so fast? These guys should be going like way faster. Because they didn't turn around. Am I just like that? How do I not take any damage from doing that? Why is first place so slow? Actually, I should be saving my stuff. Ooh, okay. I thought I almost lost control there. Alright. Let's speed through this. Ooh, actually, this would be a good time to build up NOS. And not run into the wall. There we go. Alright. I should be able to just go straight past these dudes. Dude, I'm in oncoming. Give me oncoming. There we go. Why is this so, like, iffy? Like, you're in oncoming. No, you're not. Alright. Yeah, let's use it up the hill. What? Why is this? This run is so good. Oh. I guess I spoke too soon. Why did I take like no damage from that? I'm not complaining, I'm just questioning it. This is the best run that I've had so far. I do not want to lose this. Come on. That was stressful. Probably gonna go downhill once I hit the desert. Or, right now, if these cops decide to catch up to me. Woo! Okay, that was close. That was way too close. Oh, up here? Or where? Nope. Shoot! Ah! Okay, this is not going as well as I want it to. Come on, please don't catch up to me while I have deflated tires. Oh great, there's one. Oh, and it's a Porsche? Oh my gosh. That's so great. Oh, you're not gonna hit the spice strip for me? There we go. Alright. I'm going faster while drifting? Oh, shoot! Yep! Alright. Oh! Nope, come on. Yeah, why don't you go to the repair shop? That'll help you. And once out of spawn. Is this faster? That is faster. I should do that next time if I fail this. Tip to going faster, stay on the road. I probably shouldn't intentionally let them run into me. That just loses me health. Dang. I messed that up. Oh no! Now he's on. Get off. Okay, you're making it very hard to see. Oh, why is this guy still catching up? You should not be still catching up. Should not. No. Yeah. Here. Why don't you have shoot. Me. There you go. Hit. No, dude. Why? This is not favorable. Please let my tires reinflate. Please let them reinflate. Thank you very much. Yeah, and then these guys are gonna be on pace. Shoot. Oh. Okay, actually, that was good. Who did it? Wait. No, not all of them. Some of them. 2 spike strips. And around the same area is not cool. Alright. Amazing straight line. I love this part because I don't gotta worry that much about the cops catching up to me. I just gotta worry about avoiding spike strips and managing my NOS so I can come out of this section as much as possible. Actually, I should take the short. I think I'll do that. That way, I don't have to try and do a handbrake turn, because those can really screw you up, like last time. Do them wrong. Nope. Shoot. Actually, okay, that's fine. You can go ahead and do that. Yep. Alright, sweet. So get some good NOS here. Alright. And yep, I'm up to good speed. I just gotta keep her. Oh, yeah. I had... What was it? Yeah, I had a rice bowl for dinner. It was pretty good. If you want to let me know what you had for dinner any of the days, or just what your favorite food is, that'd be cool. I think my favorite food, definitely either sushi, or is it a good Red Robin hamburgers, or Outback. No, not Outback. Five Guys. I don't know why I said Outback. Outback's pretty good too, but I like Five Guys. Five Guys pretty good. Oh, I was thinking an In-N-Out. In-N-Out also has pretty good burgers. I think, yeah. Like, burgers, Five Guys, In-N-Out. Ice cream would be like DQ. Oh, okay. I gotta focus. Where did that guy go? I lost him. My room. Oh, also good ice cream drumsticks. Drumsticks are pretty good too. I like drumsticks. I'll say also, you can also make pretty good, like chicken drumsticks. Like those recent drumsticks. I will say, now that I'm talking about chicken drumsticks, I wonder what some would taste like with like honey coating. I haven't had those before. I wonder what that would taste like. Dude's on pace. Shoot! They're on pace! Oh, and I got Wilmot. Oh, and they have an EMP! And they're trying to... Come on! Oh, now my ESF is... Oh, okay, good. EMP's off. Yeah, now I'm at critical, going into the final part where I always die, because that's just how this race works. It's like, you're fine until you get to this part, and then... Yep, knew it. I knew you were gonna do that. If I ran into that, that would have been the end of this. Yep, and then, oh yeah, over here, you always get that one cop that spawns, and then they catch up to you, and then they... Yep, and then, yep. Uh-huh. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh my gosh. Please. Please. Yes! Let's go! I did it. Come on, let me in. Yep. Ah! I did it! Heat level 10. Grand Tour. No repair shops. And that only took about 3 hours. That was amazing. Alright.